Guys, it's Fonzie with DipYourCar.com, world famous peelable auto paints. Now, for a long time now, doing a metallic red finish has been a real challenge, and mainly because in order to do a metallic finish, you had to utilize the pearls, and it has been impossible to find a red pearl that is truly and only red. Now, we have some pearls that are really close, like the carbon red and the real red pearl, but even those in certain lights can look a little bit on the orange side. Still beautiful colors, but we wanted an easy to use, true red metallic finish, and boom, cinnamon red Performance Series gallon, easy to use. We're gonna save money, we're gonna save time. A lot of people have been asking for this one. Let's jump right into it. Enjoy the video. Guys, the car is complete, and one piece of feedback right off the bat. Traditionally, when you use a red color, the coverage is very poor. You have to stack coat after coat after coat to get a full, solid, even finish. Not the case at all with cinnamon red. As you probably saw, on the first coat, we got like 80 to 85% coverage. Now, of course, you always want to use all of the gallons included in your kit, but you are not going to have a hard time getting full, solid coverage with this red. It's super easy to use. It's absolutely gorgeous. We're gonna get it outside right now. If you wanna do cinnamon red on your vehicle, super simple. Click right up here. It'll bring you to the cinnamon red vehicle kits, and it includes everything you need. All the gallons, the sprayers if you need one, the accessories, everything is included in the kit. If you have any questions at all though, email CustomerService@DipYourCar.com. Chat with us directly on the website or call in. We love talking to you guys about your projects. Let's go outside and check the car out. It's Fonzie. I'll see you on the next video.